Hello everyone, my name is Alejandro Vieira and I'm going to be speaking to you about Adobe Photoshop Creative Cloud 2019. Adobe Photoshop is actually a really good software to use, especially for graphic designers and photo editors. When it comes to this software, you can use it to be able to design and be able to edit photos or certain logos and whatnot. If you're interested into acquiring the software, you can sign up through adobe.com and be able to purchase it in with a package. The package comes with certain softwares as Illustrator, InDesign, Lightroom, and a few others as well. There is a student discount if you use your ASU ID, or any other school ID is also okay, and they'll be able to give you a discount on that and it's a monthly subscription to be in this software. So what I'm going to be teaching you is just a few simple tools that Photoshop gives you. The first one is just a simple move tool. So I went ahead and opened up a photo of mine that I took a while back and applied it as a layer. So with the layer, I can able to move the photo around with the move tool in case I want to look at something different or maybe see how it can be viewed through a different angle. So that's one of the good benefits on that. The second one is the selection tool. We do have two different tools for that. So the rectangular marquee tool, this one I can be able to say I'll just click and drag on the photo here and it creates this border of what it calls of marching ants, which is what it looks like. And with this, I can be able to, I'm going to go ahead and right click here. I can either cut this piece of the photo, which is what I'm going to do, and now it created a completely new layer of this photo, of the original photo. So I can move this and be able to create something new with it, or add on to it, or be able to be creative in this such. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Command Z or Control Z on computer, which undoes the move that I did. And if I hit it one more time, it's going to go ahead and go back to the selection. And I hit it one more time, it's going to deselect everything from what I used there as well. Another one is the crop tool. This one's simple. It's like almost in any photo app. You can crop these the photos. Say you want to just use the palm trees here, and what I did is just all I did was click and drag on this, and from here all I had to do is press enter or return, and it crops it into that portion of the photo only, and that is your new photo as well for that. Like I said, if you want to undo that, you can always hit Command or Control Z, and it undoes the crop. Also, another good one is the brush tool. The brush tool comes with certain amounts of brushes, strokes, either size or hardness, or if you want it softer, if you want it to completely brush through, the size as well. I'm gonna go ahead and hit my hotkeys and use the bracket key to increase the size on this. So this is something that's helpful with this as well. So that is what I have for you on these simple tools for Photoshop. If you're ever interested on acquiring Photoshop, go ahead and visit adobe.com. Thank you so much.